We're here at Collegetown Center to take a look at North Rectangle Studio Apartment 216. We're on floor 2 of this 6th floor building. Let's go on in. As you know, these apartments are very similar, and we'll go in through the kitchen, which is here on our left in this style. Let's take a look at some of the kitchen items in here. So we have a refrigerator and freezer. So you can see freezer and refrigerator here, some drawers and shelves. There is a regular sink, and it does have a little sprayer. So you turn on the water, and then you can activate the sprayer to spray things. And then there is an under the sink dishwasher. So you can wash your dishes in there. You can see it's just a regular dishwasher. You'll rinse off your items and then put them in there and use the dials to turn it on. There's always a microwave provided. In some of the units it is lifted, but mainly they are on the countertop, so you'll have a microwave for you to use, and there'll be an electric stove with an oven. So there are knobs to turn on the burners on top, and then there's the oven part here for baking things. And you've got 4 burners, and over the oven there is a light and a fan. So you can see some features of the kitchen item. The fan has a couple settings. As we go into the apartment, everything else will be the same. You'll have the closet over on the left, and the furnishings, which will be the dining table and chair, a dresser, a full-size bed, a desk and chair, and a bookshelf. As you go through the apartment, we'll see the air conditioner over here. Again, this is the north or street side of the building. We're on floor 2, so you can see out towards Dryden Road, so we've got some great people watching over here. Over here on the wall is where the internet jack is. You can see there's a pair of ports. You want to go to the port that has a number near it like that. That will be where you plug in your router. You do provide your own routers for your internet. There are plugs nearby, so you can plug that in as well. Let's go take a look in the bathroom. So the bathroom will have that standing tub shower. There'll be the vanity and the sink and the toilet. Why don't we go look in in the shower? We don't normally do that. Let's go take a look. So you've got your faucet down here to turn on your water and get the temperature you like, and then the shower part is up above. So that's the bathroom, the tub shower in there. It has the sliding doors. You don't need a shower curtain, so it has the doors. And then there's always a medicine cabinet in these apartments, and oops, let's get that open. So you can see one of those as well. So there's a little cabinet in here to use for small items in the bathroom. So that's just a look to show you some of the features within the apartment. So we're in a North Rectangle studio. This is apartment 216 on the 2nd floor here at Collegetown Center. We're located at 151 Dryden Road. We are 1 block from campus.